Chetna was started with the purpose of, one, taking care of the individuals so that they are safe in a protected environment. There's no pressure, but yet they are engaged in some kind of creative as well as healthy work. Approximately 5% of the population in any place has some of the or the other form of disability, that the disability in them does not allow them to enter the mainstream and work in a manner that can make them feel that they are a part of the society, that they are contributing members to society. But once they start doing and once they get the confidence, there is this thing called self-efficacy. I can do this much. I can also earn. We wanted to do business and generate revenue so we could create employment opportunities for these people. The TechnoServe training program, really, the details that they went into was wonderful. The concepts were clarified very, very beautifully. That training program did definitely give me an idea into the different aspects of a business. Right from conceptualizing the idea, doing a market research, going into the specifics of production, looking into all the factors right from production up till generating revenue. As part of the program, I created a business plan, and thankfully that also won the prize money of 2.5 lakhs that we directly invested in moving here. I think I've internalized many of the things that I learned that time. Today they share the thrill of a new product. They share the completion of a big order. We go out together and we celebrate when we have passed certain milestones. In this, the people with disability can grow because the growth that we have seen in them has surprised us.